ZR1 came with the LS9, now donning a 2.3-liter supercharger, titanium rods, forged pistons, a dry sump oil system, and a truly track-ready 638 horsepower.
I'm in danger!
Also, honorable mention because they're kind of only aftermarket and considered a crossover between Gen 4 and Gen 5, but we have the LSX engine, appropriately hyped and favored new age 454, making 627 naturally aspirated horsepower. Which may not admittedly sound like a lot considering the other crate motors available, but considering the physical size and simplicity of these engines is kind of hilarious.
When I'm done with you, my mom's gonna pick me up and take me home.